Hey, welcome everybody. It's Saturday before Memorial Day weekend. I thought it'd be a good time to do, a short. I covered this, well, I mentioned this earlier actually in a previous video, the one that I shot on the Fender Fastener cleanup, where you can take you take your moldings off. Like for example, right here, I've got the SS molding off the front fender, and I mentioned, how I can save them from getting damaged over time. Now these ones aren't perfect. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit of a ding right there, and I think there's another one down here somewhere. But anyways, they're not bad. If I can fix them, then I will. If not, then they're probably just going to be, wall art. But anyways, so the trick is, I got this from Home Depot. Of course, it's the 2-inch. Well, it's not quite 2 inches, 1.88 inches, and it's just the general purpose 3M painter's tape. So you can take the painter's tape and just simply put it over the trim, like so. You can wrap it around if you want. You don't really want the high adhesion stuff. You want the stuff that's going to peel off really easily, especially if you're going to store this long term, and it's going to be in an environment that's hot, because then your glue will transfer to the part and you're going to have to clean that off. I don't think that's really such a big deal, because solvents will get it off. But anyways, and so then you can take your moldings and slide them into a PVC tube, cardboard tube, whatever you want, stand them up somewhere to for storage, and when it comes time to put them back on the car, then you can refinish them, prep them, that kind of thing. And I really should have, in fact, for this one, the other one is nicer, but I really should have removed them from the car anyways, because I got a feeling that the little bit of damage that is on here is a result of having the car here in the shop and moving around in the shop, and I might have dinged it with something. So if you have a car that you're working on, probably a good idea to take the moldings off. Anyways, later.